Assalamu alaikum, my dear sisters. Today I want to talk to you gently, not as someone who has perfected her mornings, but as a sister who is learning, failing, and returning. I used to pray Fajr, feel relief that I woke up, and then lie back down thinking, just a few minutes, and those few minutes slowly stole the best part of my day. Allah did not make mornings ordinary. In the Qur'an, Allah swears by the morning time, by the morning brightness. Surah ad-Duha, when Allah swears by something, it shows its importance. The early hours carry a peace, a clarity, and a blessing that does not return later in the day. Our beloved Prophet made a special dua, "O Allah, bless my ummah in their early mornings." Tirmidhi, think about that, sisters. The Prophet specifically asked Allah to place barakah in the early part of our day. When we sleep after Fajr, we're not sinful, but we may be choosing rest over barakah. I tried many times to stop this habit. I promised myself, tomorrow I'll stay awake, and tomorrow came. And I still slept. If you're feeling seen right now, know this: Allah does not hate repeated attempts. In the Qur'an, Allah describes the believers as those who seek forgiveness in the early hours before dawn. Surah ad-Dariyat 51-18. This habit is not about pressure, it's about mercy. Allah says, Allah intends ease for you, not hardship. Surah al-Baqarah 2-185. So we don't force ourselves harshly, we gently guide ourselves back. Step 1. Don't go back to bed after Fajr, stay where you are. Sit on your prayer mat, make dhikr. The Prophet used to sit remembering Allah after Fajr. Staying awake in remembrance keeps the heart alive. Step 2. Early morning walk. Go for a short walk. Walk calmly, make tasbih, speak to Allah quietly. Allah says, in houses Allah has permitted to be raised, His name is remembered morning and evening. Surah An-Nur 24-36. Morning remembrance brings light to the heart. Step 3. Gentle exercise. Body is an emana. Stretch your body. Breathe deeply. The Prophet said, your body has a right over you. Bukhari. Caring for your health is not dunya only, it is part of amana. Step 4. Plan your day with intention before the world becomes loud. Plan your day, the Prophet taught us. Actions are judged by intentions. Bukhari and Muslim. When you plan with intention, your studying, working, cooking, even resting becomes worship. When you protect your mornings, your days feel lighter. Allah says, establish prayer from the decline of the sun until the darkness of the night, and the Qur'an of dawn. Indeed, the Qur'an of dawn is witnessed. Surah Al-Isra 17-78. The dawn is witnessed by angels. Imagine beginning your day when angels are present. Some days you'll succeed. Some days you'll fall back asleep. Do not stop. Allah loves those who keep returning. The Prophet said, the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if small. Bukhari. Closing sisterly dua. From today, I'm choosing this habit again, not perfectly, but sincerely. If you want to start with me, comment start below. May Allah put barakah in our mornings, forgive our weaknesses, and make our small efforts heavy on the scale. You are not late, you are returning, and Allah loves that.